The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers and counts numbers within the list of arguments. It counts only numeric values, doesn't count empty cells and text values. Let's count the number of cells. Double-click an empty cell, where you want to get the result. Give equal sign, count function, open parenthesis and select the range. Or we can do this in the Formula tab. Click More Functions and in Statistical, select Count function. This will open the function arguments window. Select the cell range. The count function counts the number of cells in a range, in our case B2 to B7, that contain 6 numbers.